Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Khalid Umar. Today I am going to explain the famous Kargil town, which is basically a Muslim town. Kargil town itself, Kargil village originally many years ago, has now become a proper thriving town, and it is a Muslim town with Muslims, masajids and Imam Bargahs all over it. The Buddhist area of Ladakh extends further away. Last year, on 5 August 2019, the Indian government under Modi, in a unilateral way, in a most arrogant way, changed the status of Ladakh as well as Indian occupied Kashmir, made Ladakh as part of Union territory directly controlled by New Delhi. This is a Muslim town, and the people came out on the street straight away. The Indians forgot to clamp curfew there. Rest of occupied Kashmir, they kept the curfew, strict curfew. But here, these people, the Muslims, came down in large numbers in the bazaar and town of Kargil and shouted in Urdu, "Hum Pakistani hain, Pakistan hamara hai." हम लद्दाख के कंट्रोल के नीचे और लद्दाख में हमारी हैसियत को ख़त्म करके लद्दाख के कंट्रोल में दिया गया है, हमें नामंजूर. Now the Kargil town also figured in 1947-48 Kashmir War, as it was captured by Gilgit Scouts, which is now 1st and 2nd NLI Battalion. I commanded 1st NLI Battalion north of it in the Batalik sector, much north of Kargil sector. The Indian occupied it because they knew this is very important and they must, occupy it in strength. And this is the Shingu River down below that you see. Shingu River, when it merges with Indus River inside Pakistani side of the, much inside the Pakistani side of line of control, a few kilometers from there, from where we are seeing the video now. There, when the two rivers meet, I was surprised to see that Indus River had less water and less width than Shingu River. Shingu River is found from melting down snows in Dras area, which saw major fighting opposite Tiger Hill in 1999 Kargil War. Now, the town itself, Kargil town, few words about it. A number of villages have now become part of Kargil town, and I will now show you how it looks. It is dominated by a hill feature north of it. But before going there, I will explain the Indian 121 Brigade Headquarters, which is part of 3rd Infantry Division now. Previously, it used to be an independent brigade till about 1962 or so. And then it was made part of 3rd Infantry Division, which was moved into Ladakh sector opposite Chinese. 2 of its brigades were deployed opposite Chinese, was the 3rd with the brigade headquarters at Kargil, some distance further towards the side. See how dense a population is there. Hill feature. Now to the Faujis, the Indian Army. Olive green, typical Indian Army buildings in occupied Kashmir area. Straight line, army construction. Big building again, army construction. More army construction. More army construction this side. See? Further go away, and not joined with that, in between is possibly civil population, all of it is some more army construction. Here, here, and here. Army, sheds, storage sheds, ammunition. Also army construction. Civilians. So there are civilians in between, then the military area. The brigade headquarter areas, see, heights here. Now the extension of Kargil town itself, the green, the Shingu river, which is going towards Pakistan. More army constructions here, see. Vehicles lined up. I have not gone into details, there were vehicles visible elsewhere also. Indian National Highway NH1D coming from Dras, coming to Kargil like this, along the Shingu river. Indian village Hardus, here. Indian National Highway 1, see, masjid here. Here, the hills rising above, dominating Kargil. See, from this end, all along is the ridge line, dropping further towards the north, like this. Snow still in the shades down below. This hill feature that I am just showing you, overlooking northeast of Kargil town and Indian Brigade headquarters, is the Kafur Pahad, captured by Indian Army in 1971, as Pakistan Army only had a platoon strength over Kafur Pahad. Platoon strength only, which was attacked by the Indian 18th Punjab plus and captured the top ridge line from them. Platoon plus means about 40 men, 40 all ranks soldiers under a JSO. There was a Naib Subadar there of Karakoram scouts. The regular troops were not there. There were no artillery support with them. So here I finish the episode about Kafur Pahad, the important town of Kargil, which often figures, but the Pakistanis generally are not very clear where it is located, which was the center of attraction during the Kargil war, and last point before I finish is the National Highway NH1D continues going southwards towards and southeastwards, then eastwards to Leh. As far as Kargil Batalik Road is concerned, you can see in this zigzag fashion, it is going towards Batalik sector inside the Indian area and finishes at Batalik. This is Batalik. And this is our famous river Indus flowing just inside Indian held occupied territory or usurped territory of Ladakh. Indus River, our beloved Indus River, Darya Sindh inside Indian usurped Ladakh territory. Next time I will cover about Leh. This is the road then going further eastward and joins with Indian held features elsewhere. Please do subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that you get the updates, and please do click. A lot of people view it. Nobody clicks the like button on my videos. These are unique videos. You will not see any other Pakistanis make it up. So please encourage me, and I want a large number of people clicking like on my videos, informative videos that I am passing on, that nobody else is passing, and also click the bell icon below it, right below it, and subscribe to my channel. Khalid Umar saying Allah Hafiz.